Okay, so the electric scooter is finally complete and it's in its complete stage finally. At the back we have two identical boxes doing different stuff. On the left side we have a bubble machine, and on the right side we got a extra speaker for the sound system to make the sound more complete, to make it sound more bassier, to just to make it way better than it used to be. So come see here. So we have the amplifier on the lid, right? Then I built this box for the speaker itself. I used the identical box to this one right here. So we have a speaker right here, one speaker. I wanted to use two, but one is good enough, and I don't want to add too much weight. One speaker is good enough. All right, so we have a speaker right there. It's connected to the amplifier, right? And then the amplifier is powered by the 12-volt system that powers all the 12-volt devices. For example, the LED strip in the rear, the side LEDs right here, all of them run on that 12-volt system, right? So basically, it's powered by that 12-volt system, right? But this amplifier is connected to this amplifier in the front. Now, this amplifier is used to power these speakers right here, these tiny little speakers. Now, they may be small, but they're very, very loud. Like, when I got them in the listing, it said motorcycle, so you know it's going to be loud. Okay, so these speakers have been great for some time, but the problem is the audio sounded empty for some reason. I didn't know, but I then realized what I was missing when I added that speaker. Okay, so I think that's all. So basically what I'll do is I'll do a test run. So I'm going to start by playing these two speakers alone, right? I'm going to start from here. I'm going to go all the way until the audio disappears. Then I'm going to come back, and then you get to see if it's loud or not. Then I'm going to switch on the second speaker, redo the test, and then you can see if there's a difference or did I waste my time by installing that speaker right there. Okay, so I'm going to start playing the song. The audio from this point onwards is coming from these two speakers alone, nothing else, all right? Let's do this. The next step is to switch on that the second speaker, and then we get to test if it was a big improvement. Okay, so the step to switch it on, come this side, let me show you. So it's a very easy process. I have two switches right here because I tried installing one switch, but for some reason it failed, so I had to install two switches. So when these are off, it disconnects the battery completely, right? So I switch on 1, 2, right? Select aux, and then if you listen, when I press the button, it's going to be way louder. This is how it sounds. Okay, now I'm going to connect the second speaker. See? Now I'm connecting the second one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope you think the upgrade was worth it. I hope you can hear the difference in audio, right? The bass, the increasing, whatever. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please consider watching other videos, and I hope to see you in another video. We'll go boom and boom.